How to change lock chat secret code on WhatsApp. Now if you forgot your secret code on WhatsApp or you want to change it, this is the right video for you. To simplify, you want to open up the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and click on settings. Inside settings, you want to click on privacy. Scroll down, and from here you can then go ahead and see an option called chat lock. You want to go ahead and click on the unlock and clear lock chats. Go ahead and click on unlock and clear, and from there you have to confirm it by Face ID or fingerprint. Right after clearing the lock chats option, you can just go ahead and add your conversation to the lock chats menu. And right after locking your chat, you can just go ahead and navigate through the lock chat section. Inside lock chats, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen once more, and from here you want to click on the chat lock settings. You can then go ahead and see the secret code, so you want to go ahead and click on it, and from here you can then go ahead and add your own new secret code. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.